This is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. This is just showing you some of my working out. No, there isn't any on that page. For some of the designs that I put in the other blocks, and I've ticked the ones that I've actually done. And there's some more here. And there's some more here. And this is what I've done, is whenever I've thought of a design or seen a design, I've made a note of it, and so I can actually do it on these pieces, these sample blocks. And I just thought I'd show you my working out. And I'll now show you how I got to this stage. These sample blocks, quilting sample blocks, I'll walk you through how I'm basically doing them. I've got, this is calico cotton, and it's on the back. It's about, what, 24 inches square. On the bottom I've put some wadding batting there. It has been joined because of the bits. Before I sandwich it together, I found the middle of this piece and then did a square in the middle of it. Well, actually I'll show you exactly what I did. I got my long ruler, which is exactly 6 inches wide. I put the 3-inch mark on the crease for the centre line, and then I just drew both sides of it. And then I moved it over 6 inches, and then this side 6 inches. I did exactly the same here. Put the 3-inch mark on the crease line, drew either side, and then the top and bottom, and then I did 2 inches around it, and then I've just sandwiched it together, pin basted it, and it's been, as you can see there, it's been pieced together. Doesn't matter at all on a quilt, or especially on these sample blocks. Bit of pen on it, well, bit of the marker. The marker pen I've used is a heat erase pen, so when I've done it all, just put the iron over it and it takes away the markings so you won't see them. So the first thing we do is go and basically sew all round on the lines for these squares, and I'll bring you around to the machine now. So the first thing to do is choose a design to go in my first block, and that hasn't yet been marked out. I'll do that in a bit. Let's just do some of this. Right, because I've got the ruler foot on, I can use a ruler, or I can just do free motion, which is what I think I will do. And this is just going to be this cotton isn't very, this thread isn't very good. Just move over this way, I think. I'm just pulling my lines back. And I'm going to put pebbles in here, I think. Take myself back up to the corner. And your pebbles can be any size you want. I never used to like pebbles, but since I did them on the first one, I've got into doing them. All you've got to remember is the circle that you're doing, you've got to remember to finish doing the circle. If this is too slow, you can always go faster. My bigger circles are better than my small ones. I can't see too well from this angle. The pebbles. So I've gone over my previous ones. And what I'm going to do is now take it about 1/4 inch and then follow my little ribbon. Now I will be doing the same on the other side, but I think I'll stay on this side first. Now I've got to think what I'm going to do now. I think I'm going to do another 1/4 inch, I think. Just echoing what you've previously done. And I think I'll do another line of pebbles. small ones, no little ones. Possible. But that's as it's going so far. I'll finish this one off, and now and again I might just put up a bonus episode showing one that I'm quilting. Thank you. Bye. This is the one that we started with, and a few hours later I've done the rest of them in different patterns. I'm not sure how well this will make it out. Bye.